Alright, what is up YouTube? I am back with another unboxing and review of another Fullsend drop. If you follow the channel for a while, I haven't done one since the November drop last year because they haven't done anything since, so I haven't really been able to do anything. But if you'd like this sort of content from the channel, I got one in store for you today. So this time they had their March drop. You can tell Fullsend is really starting to kind of like dial back on their drops. They don't look like they put in as much effort, honestly. Like, if this item that I got was not on the catalog, I probably wouldn't have gotten anything, to be quite honest with you. They're being a little lazy. I guess they're kind of like going that like podcast route, and they're like less into that like drop shit that made them so much money. Like, I know it's like when I went through this drop, like there was no queue, nothing really sold out. The night like sold out too much to a certain point, like in terms of time, and just things have changed, I guess, to some point and stuff. And Fullsend, they're in a different direction, which they're doing really well though, honestly. But the podcast is like amazing. I think it's one of my favorite podcasts. Like I listened to Joe Rogan for a time, and I think Fullsend is taken over as my favorite. So they're just so like pretty much straight up and stuff, which is very I don't know, almost rubs off and stuff. You know how chill they are and stuff. So, but anyways, I picked up one item today, which was like I think it dropped like a few drops ago. It was that like kind of like towel shorts. They called it like jacquard or something. Y'all can correct me if you know. But it's made of like a towel material. This time they called it step and repeat shorts. So I wanted to really pick them up because I thought like that is so cool. I remember in the past I think it was baby blue and khaki. This time they dropped the black one in, so I'm like, oh, you know, I gotta get this. Like this is really cool and stuff. So I'll show you the packaging that it came with first. But first off, you got the official purchase card. This time you got Fullsend March drop 2022. So they're still doing these. Just saying, thanks for the order and all that. Please don't have sends while using or wearing these items. That just makes me crack up every time. But that's all they kind of did with that. The tag on the item as well, it's their regular. You got Fullsend on one side with a white background and the red text. On the other side, it's a red background but white text with Nelk Boys, which they've been doing that same pretty much for a while. And then like pretty much the packaging, they did like a full-on packaging this time. You got Fullsend in like black text. And the only other thing that's significant is you got pretty much the style code, which is step and repeat shorts. It's got a code, and then in large, I got this in large, by the way, and just the barcode right over here. If we could focus that, there we go. And yeah, and here are pretty much the shorts. I'm gonna have like on bodies sprinkled throughout this entire me talking, but you kind of got these shorts, which it's literally like you can tell it's very good quality. It's made out of like this like towel material. It's honestly like it's sick because sometimes like if you don't have like a towel nearby, say like you got your hands wet, you can just dry it on here. You know what I mean? Because it's literally a towel, which is so dope, and I really like it. Honestly, like I'm really happy that I did get it. Like I said, the quality does seem very good. It is stretchy as well, which is really nice. The fit, I was kind of like I didn't know like because some things like I bought sometimes XL on bottoms sometimes, and sometimes like in medium like Fear God Essentials I am. But this one, I'm like, let me go my true to size large, and the fit is perfect. It doesn't look baggy, doesn't look super fucking tight. It's just a great fit. So if you're looking to buy them elsewhere or something, or if they're still on the site for some reason, just go true to size on these. Honestly, what you usually get, I think that's the best way to put. In terms of details, you even got like Fullsend in large on like a tag right here, which is clear cut there. The inside, there is drawstrings as well. And I like how they did it on the inside, so you don't have to like. I sometimes I hate drawstrings just hanging out and stuff. It really pisses me off sometimes. Like with Fear of God, it's a little different because that's the intention. But I don't know. Sometimes it just pisses me off. And you got like kind of like the big kind of flagship thing about it is that Fullsend is kind of like everywhere around the shorts. It's in this like slanted print. It's hard to see because it's black, but I'm showing you as much as I can. You also got a pocket on the back side, so it would be on your right on the back pocket. So as well, if you can see that, which is nice to have a pocket on the back. And then pretty much on the inside, just that inner lining. Not really too much else. Like I said, these are really good quality shorts. I'm really happy with my purchase. I've already worn them a few times to put them kind of to the test, kind of like I wore them out for a bit in the house for a day. They really hold up very nicely. I need to put them in the wash because I forgot to wash them yesterday, but I had to do the video today. So, yeah, they hold up really nice and stuff. Like I said, it's like a towel. Super cool. I hope they continue to do stuff like this. You know what I mean? Just to continue to kind of like like focus on their brand in a way still. So hopefully they don't just do stupid quality. I know they did like the Snoop Dogg collab recently. I heard like the quality people are saying might be shit. I was kind of seeing that on advertisements, so it didn't sell out, mind you, which is kind of weird. But for Fullsend, that is weird. But here's the thing, guys. If you enjoyed the video today, let me know down below as well. And did you cop anything from the drop? Was this on your radar at all? Are you done with Fullsend drops? Like, is that to the wayside? I don't know. This could have been my last one, to be quite honest with you. I don't even know what I'm going to do going forward and stuff. But this was a nice item, though, at least. Something I really like. It's just crazy to think that, though, like at the end of 2020, their drops were nuts. Like, it was full on, like, site traffic. They would send things in, I remember, like, separately and stuff through different warehouses. And now they're just, like... I mean, it came pretty fast compared to like past orders, which took forever. And I used 50% off on this that came with my November drop order, which was really nice. So I saved like a ton of money, so which was awesome. So, but guys, if you enjoyed the video, down below as well, and you want to let me know what you picked up from the drop, if you did at all. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell down below as well. If I make any future ones, you'll be notified for that. And then also, if you like hats, sneakers, you like reaction videos or anything like that, podcast, I do it on the channel as well. So you can check that out if you're interested, and if you like what you see here today. So, but anyways, guys, appreciate y'all for tuning in to my unboxing and review of the Fullsend March drop, where I picked up the Step and Repeat shorts. Take it easy, guys.